How to find insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can find the insights of your Instagram account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find insights on Instagram, it's relatively very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all open up Instagram, and then you want to make sure that you actually have a professional account, because if you don't have a professional or business or creator account, you will not be able to find the insights option. After you do so, you just want to come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, and then over here you will see all this. Just tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then you'll find the option called Get Insights. Just tap on it. As you tap on Get Insights, just tap on the Continue button, and then here you'll ask you to get professional tools, so just go ahead and tap on the Continue option again over here. And as you tap on the Continue option again, here just select your niche or whatever else that you think is convenient for you. So over here I'll just select, let's say, any of these options. Once I select these options, I can choose to display on profile or not, but I'll just tap on the Done button, and you can see you can actually take up to 30 seconds to go ahead and then finish creating my professional account. And then after that I will be able to successfully get the insights option on Instagram. And that's all it takes to get insights option on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.